Hi guys, I'm Manish Gupta, founder of Calley AutoDialer App. In this video, I want to talk to you about the need of an integration center. When we started Calley, it was more of a self-sustained ecosystem, which means that you could load leads, you could make calls and check reports at the end of it. That's it. We soon realized that there was a need of connecting Calley to different external softwares like CRMs, calendar management tools, so that you can do much more in your business processes. This is why we created an integration center. This allows you to connect Calley to 1,000 of external applications like Google Sheets, Zoho CRM, HubSpot, Salesforce, either natively or using automation tools like Zapier, Pabbly, or Make.com. So if you want an AutoDialer system that can connect to your CRM and automate your complete outbound dialing process, then subscribe to Calley Pro or Teams plan today.